Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add horizontal slice transition effect in CapCut. So for example, I uh, I'm going to add videos to the clip. Just import and drag here, and then I'm going to split the clip. This. Okay, so how to add horizontal slice transition? Just click transition, and then you can find the horizontal slice transition in slide. Oh, no, in split transition. Just download here's horizontal slice, and you can drag and put between the clip like this. So you can adjust for a duration like this. Do as before. So just click play button for the show. Okay, that's how to add horizontal slice transition effect in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate. And I share thanks. Bye bye.